Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the latest update from Google AI Studio. So, Google AI Studio just replaced video generation feature with like generated media. So, what they have done is they just replaced that video generation feature and add two more new features. So, video feature is already the previous one. It is used to generate AI video generation and we got like two new features. It's called like Imagen and Gemini image generation. So Imagen is basically it's a basic one to generate high quality AI generated images, and Gemini image generation is basically let you generate image and let them edit you. So let's start with the image generation. So we are going to test this one and you will see a warning pop-up here image generation with image gen 3 in AI studio has limited free quota for testing, so you cannot use it for unlimited image generation. You have some limits here. So what we are going to do is we are going to give it a prompt to generate an image and we are going to compare the results side by side how it's generate the AI images, and can we use it for the for some kind of work or some kind of projects. So what we are going to do is we are going to recreate this image that we are going to recreate from the ideograms, and we have the prompt here. So this is our image, so we have four options to compare side by sides, and this is a prompt I'm going to copy from here and I'm going to paste it here, and then we have to click on this run button, and after that it will take some time to generate this image. So also on the right hand side we can see this is a image model that it is using to generate the image. It is image gen 3, and we have some aspect ratio that we can change the aspect ratio of this image. So you can see it generate the image and it's look like pretty good, pretty comparable. Now let's increase the numbers of results with 4 and run it again, and let's see how we can, what types of result we will get. To be honest, I can see it is pretty fast as compared to the other model, and it is pretty fast, and you can see the image generation quality these images pretty good. Click on the large view and let it see, and it is just look at the details. It is complete high quality, and you cannot say it is AI image generated. So this one is a little bit look like AI image generated, and they don't have even finger issues, so it got the physics right as well. And this one is perfect one, bro. So now close this one and let's check it out the another one. Let's check it out the VO3 AI video generated. So it also using the VO2, not VO3. So let's see how it's going to generate the image. So what we are going to do is a black cat walking on the terrace of a building. So this is a prompt that we are going to use, a black cat walking on a terrace of a building. So we are going to hit the run button and let's see what it will generate. So it has a video duration option that is about 8 seconds. So it has a maximum 8-second video durations, and you can decrease it up to 5 seconds, 5, 6, 7 seconds, and you can also change the aspect ratio from here as well. So after this video will generate, we will also try this negative prompt option here. We will try to remove some type of object or some kind of things from the video, and this is a video, and I asked you to walking on terrace, remove it and walking on building walking on a building. Let's first like play this what it generates. It's a kind of look like a real video, and but we have to like try out the another one. So let's generate the another video and let's see what it will generate. So as you can see we have like numbers of results that we can increase it from here, and we can generate like two videos at the same time, like the different kind of from like same prompt and two videos. Okay, it have done it's like yes, 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 yes. We have the video, and it kind of look like what I have imagined. And let's play this video, and it have a complete like an amazing bokeh effect on the background, and it kind of look like it's a real cat, and it kind of felt like a real. Just make it large and like play. Bro, it's kind of look like a real. Okay, so we are going to now use this negative prompt, and we are going to remove the bokeh effect from the background. So remove the blur bokeh effect from background. So I'm expecting it to like make it clear, make it more clear, or like some kind of like replace the background with some kind of like buildings. I was expecting it to be like more like a scene from the like Amazing Spider-Man, as you can see, where the Spider-Man's like come after he make his like make his web shooters and all kind of like suits. Okay, it's running. Okay, it have done its processing, and now we are waiting for it's not what I was expecting. It's look like a cat baby. I was asked it to like remove the bokeh effect, but it doesn't remove the bokeh effect. In fact, it made it like a little kitty. But it kind of feel like a real effect that a person has recorded this video, but it is completely like AI generated, and the colors and the bokeh effect and the like even the cat is looking real. So that's all for this video, and this is the update that you can use like to generate images like videos, or you want to like add edit that AI generated images, so you can use this one as well. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.